Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to troubleshoot login errors on your Alibaba account. Following these steps will help you regain access quickly and securely. Step 1. Check your login credentials. Make sure you're entering the correct email or mobile number and password. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and follow the instructions to reset it. Step 2. Clear browser cache or try a different device. Sometimes login issues are caused by cached data or browser problems. Clear your browser cache, try a different browser, or use the Alibaba mobile app to log in. Step 3. Verify two-factor authentication if enabled. If you have 2FA enabled, enter the verification code from your SMS or Authenticator app. Ensure the code is current and accurate. Step 4. Check for account restrictions. Alibaba may temporarily restrict accounts for security reasons. Look for emails from Alibaba requesting verification or identity confirmation and follow the instructions provided. Step 5. Contact Alibaba support. If you still can't log in, visit the Alibaba Help Center and submit a support request. Include your account details and any relevant screenshots to speed up the resolution. For more helpful tips on managing your Alibaba account, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.